This is the all-new Fiesta sports van in frozen white. This model that we have here is the 1 litre 125 PS petrol engine with the 18-inch alloy wheels. As we take a look inside the cabin, you can see where some of the sport comes in with the red stitching bucket style seats, as well as it being on the steering wheel and the gear stick. This is a 6-speed manual, has an 8-inch colour touchscreen with DAB radio and sat-nav on there, also compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Keyless start, also we have air conditioning as well. With this being the Fiesta van, you get all the benefits of a car in the front, but as well you get all this space in the back for whatever you may want to carry. Again, with this being the sport model, you obviously get the rear spoiler there, side skirts as well, so it's got the sport body kit on. As you can see, it's got the aggressive front grille as well in black, front skirt at the front as well. If you'd like any more information on this vehicle or would like to arrange a test drive, give us a call on 01524 598 598 or come down to our showroom in Morecambe.